Hello friends, this is Abhilasha and I am back with the new lesson today. Friends, I would like to tell you about all the uses of wood. Yes friend, you are right. It is the very simple topic and I am sure by the end of this lesson, you will be more confident to use this word. Let's begin our session. Friends, the word wood, it is one of the modal auxiliary verb and it is the past tense of will, but you can use it in different way. It depends how to use it. First, we talk about the politeness. When you want to make your sentence in a more polite way, you want to use this word, would. Let's see the example. I want the crab cakes, please. Here, I am using the word want. But I can replace this word with the would. I would like the crab cakes. Just like you can ask many more things. I would like to have a glass of water, please. I would like to have something. I would like to have some tea or coffee. So you can make your sentence more polite by the word would in place of want. Friends, let's move on the other. Asking someone to do something. You can use the word would when you want to ask someone to do something for you. Let's see the example. Would you mind passing the salt, please? Here it is the question. It is the interrogative sentence and we are using the phrase would you mind. Keep remember when you use the would you mind, here after mind, here the word come, this verb will come with the ing form. Would you mind passing the salt, please? Here it is the way, it is the more polite way, and if you want to do something, if you want to someone to do something for you, you can use in a more polite way. You can ask him or her, would you mind coming to me to see a doctor? So you can use this word, would you mind. The next one is present unreal, imaginary situation. We can use the word would when we want to talk about some imagination or any situation which is not real anyways. Let's see the example. If I had an umbrella, I would give it to you. I don't have an umbrella. Right now, I don't have. But it is my imagination. If I had an umbrella, I would give it to you. It is conditional sentence. And it is the conditional sentence and it is the main verb. It is conditional clause. So we always use the word would in main clause. Never use would in the conditional clause. If I had an umbrella, I would give it to you. It is totally imagination. If I spoke English, I would move to USA. It is again imagination, imaginary situation. I can't speak English, but it is my imagination. If I spoke English, I would move to USA. So you can use in main clause. Let's move on other. Repeated past action. When we want to talk about some repeated past action. When I was a child, I would play hopscotch with my friends. Friends, I am talking about my habit when I was a child. And this habit is no longer in present tense. Let's see. When we want to talk about repeated past action, we use the word would. When I was a child, I would play hopscotch with my friends. Friends, you can also use the word used to. Used to in the place of would. You can also tell this sentence. When I was a child, I used to play hopscotch with my friends. This habit, it was my past tense. It is no longer in present tense, and in this situation today I am not playing any game. So I am talking about my childhood activities. So when you want to talk about some repeated past action, you can use the word used to or would. Let's see other. Reported speech. When we want to talk about reported speech, direct, indirect speech. When we convert direct speech into indirect speech, we use the word would. Let's see. John said, I will bring the drinks. John said, comma, I will bring the drinks. It is direct speech. I will bring the drinks. He said, I will bring the drinks. When we convert it direct speech into indirect speech, we use the word, we replace the word will with would. John said that he would bring the drinks. So friends, it was the uses of the word you would, and it is also modal auxiliary verbs. Friends, it brings me to the end of the lesson today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. If you have any query, you can write it on comment box. I will come up with the new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.